Hi everyone, this is Felicia with FP Handmade and happy World Card Making Day. So I thought I have to have a Dollar Tree sticker series video since it's World Card Making Day. So let's get started. So let's see what I used. So first of all, I used this Cuddle Bug embossing folder that I've had in my stash seem like forever, and it's kind of got a tropical look to it. I used this die from Gina Marie Designs, and this is, I think, the Rick Rack. Let's see. Yeah, Rick Rack nested ovals. Awesome. And then let's see what I used from Dollar Tree. So today I used two items from the Dollar Tree. I used these really pretty chipboard shaped 3-piece laser cut ephemera. These have gotten really thin, or I think than they used to be, a little thinner, which is good when you're placing them on cards. So I used one of these. And then also I used this 10-piece, I used stickers from this 10-piece metallic floral set. And I thought these kind of looked like hibiscus, and that's why I went the tropical route. And let's see the card. So here's the card. I used some paper from my stash, and most likely it came from Joann, and it's basil paper. I love that paper. It's mostly all the paper that I use. But on the back here, this gold is from Anna Griffin, her gold cardstock I really like. And then this hello, I'm not sure, it's in my stash. But anyway, I used the florals and the little wood piece, and I kind of layered it up. And I thought this was pretty. I may put some little jimmies on it, but I kind of like the way it looks. It's pretty busy with the embossing folder and then the florals, but I think it turned out really pretty. What do you think? Let me know below. And are you using your Dollar Tree stickers to make cards or other type of crafty items? Let me know below, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Thanks. Bye.